Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today I'm doing a collab with Dory's Dollies, and I'll tell you about that in a minute. But I wanted to show you a little or a few of my Chatty Cathy dolls to tell you how much I think that the American Girl dolls were made to resemble Chatty Cathy, and I think that's good marketing. It all the grandmas at the time when Pleasant Company girls came out, the mothers looked at these dolls and subconsciously wanted to buy them for their daughters because, the nostalgia attitude. As you can see, a lot of my American Girl dolls are that normally stand here are off doing something else. There's Logan. I only have the one boy American Girl doll in that. But in the Bitty Babies, I have, well, any of them could be. Well, there are a couple boys in the twins. But these are all the Bitty Babies that I have. Aren't they cute? Well, I think they are. Lord knows I could come across one in my doll room. But today I am doing a collab with Dory's Dollies, and we're making a Bitty Baby Christmas outfit. And I'm going to choose a Bitty Baby here and show you what I made. All over YouTube, doll collectors have dug out their American Girl dolls, bought new American Girl dolls. It's really a thing. Mattel really stepped it up and came out with um, some really special collector's dolls. The Wizard, what is it really called? What is this one called? Not
Wicked.
Wizard, Wicked. And the holiday dresses and the Wednesday Addams, they've really stepped it up. So we're going to do a collab today with our Bitty Babies, something that you're not seeing out there. The bib is not weird. I messed up the zipper. I'll show you that in just a minute. It's not messed up. It's just not right. I did have to rip it out. You were lucky you took a bike ride because
I
there was
missed
some
that all.
zipper drama. I took this pattern book again, and it has in it, let me see if I can find, I should have marked it. This is a great book. I got this on eBay back when shipping was cheap, and I could get these books $4.95 delivered. That was shipping and everything. I think I have two, if not three copies. Darren bought me an extra in case I wanted to cut it out. What I did was I took this pattern, laid my Bitty Baby down on it to discover that the little sleeve could be a little wider and that the inseam needed to come down just a little bit. The booty fit. So what I did was I put a piece of copy paper on here and I went around it. And when I got to this area, I pushed up so that it would be taller and then continued making my pattern. The uh, diaper pattern, let me set this over here. Where'd that pin go? You know what? Give me a second. I don't want to lose a pen out here. And I have pattern books when I make patterns. Boy, I hate these pins. They're fat and they just don't work as well. I have pattern books that when I make my own patterns, I put them in here. This is for my mini um, American Girl dolls and also my McDonald's American Girl dolls. I have a pretty good collection of those. I also made a Bitty Baby diaper. And again, that was found in here. Where? Probably. You would think they would be right together, but yeah, they were. This diaper pattern fit my 12-inch silicone doll, and this kind of fits the Bitty Baby. And what I did is I made these and the bib in reverse. And let me show you how I did that. Let me set this over here. I did have trouble with the zipper. The last couple zippers I've put in have gone real smooth. I used some turkey print, or it was actually Thanksgiving print. And what I do is I put 2 different fabrics on the bib and diapers, and then I make them reversible. Now, for human children, you can make your bibs reversible. I used to do that a lot. And in the middle, I would put like raincoat fabric, and so that it wouldn't go through to their clothing. And I also put like terry cloth in there to absorb it and hold it. These are the little Thanksgiving diapers I made. I thought they were cute, little fall print. But then I also took this Christmas print, made the diaper reversible. For children, you really can't make it reversible because of the Velcro. You could, but it wouldn't, I don't know. So there's her little Christmas diaper. And then I did the same thing with the bib, and I used a fabric that I could use a bias tape. You want to take a bib, you take 2 pieces of fabric, whichever you want to use. You put them with the good side of the fabric, the right side out. And I know that's usually you put them in, but you put them out, and then you take your bias tape around this area, divide it in half, start up here, fold over, and then run a seam all the way from one end to the other. I used to make those for my kids all the time. They had a lot of, would I put the wrong leg in? No. They had holiday print and fun things, and they were little boys. And at the time, it was hard to find boy print anything. Girls had everything, but little boys, they had blue. That was, God, almost 50 years ago. So I would buy cute prints with like trucks and I don't know, different things on it, and make them little bibs. And actually little shirts and little sleepers. And I made a lot of stuff for my kids, my little boys. And I made them, made them in prints you could not get. And then I thought it might be cute to add a little hat. So I made this. I added little lights on top because it is a light print. And there is my little bitty baby ready for Thanksgiving and for Christmas. Dory, this is always so much fun. Thank you so much for doing these collabs with me, and I can't wait to see what you did with your little bitty baby. Thank you for watching. Please go by and see Dory's video. Leave a like, a comment, and subscribe to both channels.